Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. I'm going to be doing my good friend Angelina's makeup, so let's just jump right into this video. I'm going to start off by cleaning her face with a makeup remover wipe so I can have a clean base to work on. To fill in her brows, I'm using Anastasia's Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown, and I'm using an ABH number 14 brush. The way I like to do eyebrows is honestly pretty easy. I start off by lightly underlining her brows, and with the same product that's on the brush already, I just start to fill them in. And don't worry about putting too much because you can always just take a spoolie and brush it out. For the top of her brows, I follow the natural shape, and with the remaining product, I drag and pull the product in. You guys, let me know if y'all want to see an in-depth tutorial on how I do brows on clients or on myself. Just comment down below. To clean her brows, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand, which in my opinion, it's a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to carve them with a Morphe M432 brush, and I'm going to blend it out with the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. Taking a flat concealer brush, I'm going to pat in the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to prime her eyes. For today's look, I'm using the amazing Jackie Aina's palette, and I'm using the shade Ginger as my transition shade with a Morphe M433 brush to blend it out. I always use an E27 to diffuse the edges for any eyeshadow. Grabbing another clean M433 brush, I'm going to place the shade Credit on her outer corner, right under the shade Ginger, and blend it out. So for this part, I'm using the black eyeshadow from James Charles's palette, but you can use any black eyeshadow. And I'm only taking a little bit and placing it right under the shade Credit using a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to round it out. I'm using a Morphe M421 flat brush to cut her crease, and I just start off by stamping the concealer and then I fill in her lid. With a Morphe M224, I am placing the shade Zam on the center of her eyelid. Then with the same brush, I'm going to place the shade Soleil on the inner part of her crease. With the same brush I used to apply Ginger, I'm going to blend out the edges. Then I'm going to go back with the black eyeshadow and just darken up the outer corner. After that, I'm going to just diffuse the edges with the same E27 brush. To prep and moisturize her under eyes, I'm using the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. And to moisturize her face, I'm using the Drunk Elephant Polypeptide Cream, and I'm going to have her blended in. And to prime her face, I'm using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm also going to have her blend that in. The foundation I'm using on her today is the Maybelline Superstay in the shade 220 Natural Beige. And I'm just going to blend it out with the Real Technique sponge. I'm going to use my e.l.f. concealer brush to blend around her eyes and her nose. I'm going to conceal under her eyes and her T-zone with the same e.l.f. Camo Concealer. To contour her nose and her face, I'm going to be using the Stila Shape and Shade Contour Duo, and I'm going to be using a BH Cosmetics Flat Top Buffer Brush. To set her under eyes and the rest of her face, I'm applying Laura Mercier's translucent powder with a small rounded Real Techniques brush. Now I'm going to add some warmth to her face with the ABH Powder Bronzer in the shade Tawny, and using the lightest shade from the Blushing in Bali palette for her cheeks. I'm using the Amrezy Highlight to highlight her lips, cheeks, nose, inner corner, and her brow bones. To smoke out her waterline, I'm using the exact same shades I used on her lids, starting off with Credit. Then I'm going to diffuse that with a ginger, and lastly I'm gonna add the same black eyeshadow on top of that. The brushes I used are the Morphe M508 and a Real Techniques shadow brush. Now my favorite part, I'm lining her eyes using a 1/8 inch Craft Smart brush and the Tarte Black Clay Pot. I'm not going to give her a full wing, I'm just doing it at an angle so I could next blend it into her outer corner with the black eyeshadow and the same M506 brush. For her lips, I'm going to line them with the NYX Suede lip pencil in the shade Sandstorm, and I'm going to be adding ABH's liquid lipstick Hudson on top. And this is the final look. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more like this. If you have any requests, just comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And thank you so much for watching.